Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by using an account with admin or owner permissions. Otherwise, you can't make permanent changes. Open Settings, then go straight to Personalization and Lock Screen. On some versions, it's under System. Once there, identify whether the wallpaper is set by the system, a theme, or a third-party app, and note the image path. Make a quick backup of the current file or its name. This ensures you can revert later and helps locate what to remove next. Once done, disable the system toggle that applies the background to the lock screen. This stops automatic reapplication. Next, locate and permanently delete the specific image file from Pictures, the Wallpaper folder, or the app storage. Then empty the recycle bin so it cannot be restored. If a third-party app or theme manages the lock screen, uninstall or disable it and revoke its permissions. Make sure to restart settings to confirm the source. Finalize by clearing any system cache or temporary files that might hold a cached wallpaper. On Windows, clear thumbnail and icon caches. On mobile, clear the app cache. Reboot the device so changes take full effect, and then lock the screen to confirm it shows the default or your chosen solid color. If the old image still appears, make sure to check Group Policy, Mobile Device Management Settings, or Enterprise Provisioning. These can enforce wallpapers and need to be changed at the source.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.